Hello. Welcome to Talking Digital to your customers. I'm Jason Nadeau, the Chief Digital Officer with Fidelity National Financial. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about what you need to do when you talk to your customers about digital. What do I mean about digital? I mean talking to your customers about digital signatures, hybrid closings, and remote online notarization, or RON. I'm going to talk about three types of customers. I'm going to talk about the lender, the builder, and the real estate agent today, just for a couple minutes. Let's talk about lenders. When you're out talking to your lenders, here's a couple things that you should talk to them about. Ask them what their plans are for hybrid closings. You'd be surprised, a number of lenders are looking at this and are evaluating this, especially in their 2020 plans. Ask them about their policies around accepting digitally signed documents. While they may not be fully into digital or hybrid closings, they may allow you to digitally sign documents with your customers. Ask them what their policies are around it and what their opinion is around it. Let them know you're available to work with them. If they're looking for somebody to partner with to help do digital closings or to work with them on digital signatures, let them know you're available and that you want to work with them as your closing partner. Share with them if you're in a RON state or RON is coming in your state, and we have other videos that talk about RON, share with them that you are available to help them with remote notarization when they have remote buyers. And the last thing is understand the type of lending that they do, whether they're an FHA, VA lender, whether they're a broker, a correspondent, or a direct lender of their own. It makes a difference in what they can do with hybrid closings. I'm not asking you to be an expert in all the types of lending, but ask them, what type of loans are you doing? Are the investors that you're selling your loans to ones that will accept digital signatures and hybrid closings? These make for good discussions with your customers. Now, if you're talking to a builder, a couple different things with a builder. First, talk to them about digital signatures. There are a number of documents that need to be signed throughout the process when you're looking at new construction. Ask your builders if they'll support you using digital signatures throughout the process. Ask them about their policies around accepting digital signatures. Again, let them know you're available to work with them and talk with them about RON again as an option for scenarios when they have remote buyers on that property. And do they have a lender partner? Do they have a lender that they always work with? Do they have a lender that's a captured shop? And then talk with that lender the same types of topics we talked about on the previous slide with those lender questions, those lender discussions to understand what type of guidelines that they have. The real estate agent. Now, the real estate agent obviously has a lot less influence and say on whether or not you can use digital signatures on the transaction or whether or not you can use RON or hybrid closing, since it's not necessarily their loan that's being made in the transaction. But I think it is important to share with the real estate agent if you support digital signatures, if you support hybrid closings, if you're able to do remote closings through remote online notarization, and talk to them about lenders that you're working with or lenders that you're out talking to around digital closings. The point of working with a real estate agent customer of yours is to let them know that you are cutting edge, that you're offering digital signatures and you're offering hybrid closings to their customers. So they know that when they bring a customer to you, that you're giving them the greatest possible flexibility and service when it comes to closing. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this few-minute video.